I am Miriam, and this is Chris,
Hi.
and we own and operate Keto Chow. Today we're going to address a frequently asked question.
Yeah, so what should you do if you have a problem with your order? Either placing an order or you already placed an order and it's just not showing up, or
Or it came wrong.
and there's something wrong. So what should you do?
So there's actually a few ways that you can contact us. You can go to your email and just go to your confirmation email and just reply to that.
Now that's
It'll come
cool
right
because
to our customer service.
then we know your order number and we're able to find you really easy.
Yep, really quickly.
Okay.
You can also go to the bottom of the website and there is our phone number.
That's actually something that people are always really
school.
surprised. They'll call and they'll be like, oh,
I got a hold of a person?
You have humans there? Yes. We have a crack team of actual
they are
live
amazing,
humans.
and they will talk you through anything you need. So you can call. There's also at the bottom of the website on the
bottom
right-hand side,
corner. Yep.
which would be over
Right there.
here.
Yeah.
There's a little dot that has a little
question
chat function, and you can go ahead and write in there. We are open from 8 until 5 Mountain Standard Time, so if it's after those hours, you can still write in the chat, and then they'll get to it when they get to work
Or
the next
email.
day.
Yeah.
Yep, and then you could also email us at hello@ketochow.xyz.
Yep. Or hello@ketochow.net. They actually both work. We're super easy to get a hold of as long as it's during regular hours.
And if you can't get a hold of us, you can always leave a message and we'll get back to you the next day.
That's right.
So we do not work on Saturdays or Sundays. We believe that our people are very valuable and they need time to be with,
With
their
their
families and to do the things they want to do. So we do not have anybody working those days. So if you have a problem Friday night, we will get to it Monday morning, but we will get to it.
Oh, what are some ways to not fix your order? Opening
Right. It's,
a dispute with your credit card company.
yeah, or PayPal.
Actually, that locks your funds
It
for
makes it even
up
harder.
to 2 months if you do that. We would rather just give you a refund if there's a problem
and we definitely
than
want to
do a
work
dispute.
with you.
Okay.
We totally do.
If you complain on the Facebook support group or something like that, most of the time people will say, "Have you tried calling them?" So
Yeah, because we want to fix it.
oh yeah.
Also, there's another thing that sometimes people do is DM on Instagram Messenger. We do have someone watching Instagram all of the time, but it's not
hard
a
to-
customer service rep.
Yeah.
And so they would have to turn around and give your message to customer service. So that could take a couple of days. So I would rather have you reach out to customer service directly.
Exactly. So yeah, that's what we wanted to cover. So have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.